Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key battery for a Honda Crosstour. This car was only made from 2013 to 2015, but you may have a key that looks like this. It's got some rectangle buttons, and yeah, let's get into it. So flip the key over and you'll see a small Phillips screwdriver in the back. First thing you're going to need is a really small screwdriver set, like this precision screwdriver set. You can get this for like $4 on Amazon, so I'll link to that in the video here. So take that smallest screwdriver, and you're really going to have to dig in to get that screw out. I've already kind of loosened this one, so this one's going to come out pretty easily. Once we've got that key out, if we look at this, or that screw out, if you look at the side, there's a little notch right here. If we take a flathead screwdriver, go ahead and insert that right into the notch, and then if you just twist, you can start to get some leverage to snap off this top or this back piece of the fob, and this back piece contains our key battery that we need to change. So take the flathead screwdriver and pop out the key battery. You can see it's a CR1620 3-volt battery. So when we put a new one back in, just make sure and put the top part in first, and then it'll just kind of slide in because there's some grippers at the bottom there. Once you have a new battery in, go ahead and replace the backing here, and just this will snap right back together like so. That's it. Obviously put the little screw back in, and that's how you change the key battery in a Honda Crosstour.